This tutorial is for those that have their domain name registered with Godaddy. If your domain name is registered with a different domain registry, then you will need to research the site to locate where the nameservers are, or ask tech support to help you with this step. Step 1. Log into your Godaddy account. You should see your domain names on the opening screen. Find the domain name you will be updating and click the hidden menu in the upper right-hand corner. Look for the 3 small dots. Once you click that, you will see a drop-down menu. You'll then want to click Manage DNS. This will take you to the page where your nameservers are located. You should be looking at 4 lines: NS1, NS2, NS3, and NS4.webfaction.com. Click the Change button to edit the nameservers. Delete NS3 and NS4. In the top 2 lines, replace webfaction with my domain. Click Save, and this will take you to another page to confirm your changes. Check off where it says, "Yes, I consent to update nameservers for the selected domain." Then click Continue. That's it. You're all done. Kaz will now take over the process of migrating your website to the new server. Now, this is very important. Please call Kaz to set a time when you both can work on the migration together. Otherwise, your website might be offline for a long time, and you don't want that to happen. If you have any problems, just call Kaz, and he'll be happy to help you.